Good morning, one and all. At the outset, I would like to convey my Teachers' Day wishes to all my beloved faculty members of Kongunad Arts and Science College. And it's my due responsibility to thank my teachers who shaped me for what I am. September 5th has been celebrated as Teachers' Day in our country in memory of Bharat Ratna Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher par excellence, a great scholar, a renowned philosopher, and also the second president of India. A teacher is a friend, a philosopher, and a guide who instills confidence in the minds of students and play an important role in the transformation of the student into a responsible citizen. Your contribution as teachers is not only confined to the portals of this institution, but it extends to the society at large, to the country. Educating people is one of the greatest service one can do for the society. The profession of teaching exists time immemorial. In Vedic era, there was a Gurukula system of teaching where the students used to go to the guru's house and they had a holistic education and a personalized education. The gurus had an invisible pedestal which was worshipped by all. Guru is like a sculptor who can turn stones into idols. With the introduction of the new education policy, the dignity of teachers is restored and there rests a greater responsibility on the shoulders of teachers who will facilitate in building our Navabharat. Teaching is the mother of professions that creates all other professions. And teaching is the greatest act of optimism. A country is as good as its people, so its citizens are only as good as its teachers. Therefore, a great deal of responsibility rests on the shoulders of you, the teachers. And I admire and respect you all for the passion, the dedication, the commitment, and contribution. It is the teachers who chisel a beautiful statue out of a stone block. The dynamism of knowledge and exposure of a newer information poses a challenge of continuous upgradation of your competency by acquiring, maintaining, and demonstrating highest values and character. As our country is poised to become a knowledge superpower, your role as teachers gain more significance and emerge crucial in the process of nation building. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. Benjamin Franklin said, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me, I remember. Involve me, I learn." The following attributes makes a difference between a teacher and a good teacher. Their compassion, passion for continuous learning, understanding, patience, ability to be a role model, and the willingness to put in the effort makes a very good teacher. Teachers' Day reminds us of responsibilities and commitments towards shaping the future generation in taking up still higher challenges and making our country advanced and developed nation with high sensitivity towards the overall welfare of the society and its mankind. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, and the love you give to your students makes you teacher par excellence. I conclude with a quote of Robert Frost on teachers. "I am not a teacher but an awakener. Once again, I wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.